Estelle for Humanity proudly presents the 15th Annual Honor Thy Father Awards Dinner, featuring our keynote speaker, Academy Awards winner Louis Gossett Jr., Punch TV CEO Joseph Collins, actress Paula Parker, actor Miguel Nunez, and our very own founder and CEO of Estelle for Humanity, Denise V. Estelle. Bring the whole family as we celebrate Father's Day, culminating freedom, family, and economic development. You can also find out how to become a stockholder in Punch TV as they announce going public at this incredible event. It all happens on June 19th, beginning with the red carpet at 2 p.m. at the DoubleTree Hotel, located at 6161 Centinela Avenue in Culver City, California. Tickets must be purchased in advance at www.honorthyfatherawards.com. Simply click on the 2016 icon, then click Purchase Tickets Now. Or you can also call 424-209-7609. The 15th Annual Honor Thy Father Awards Dinner. Buy your tickets now and celebrate fatherhood, freedom, and family with us. We hope to see you there.